This is a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer that's perfect for making TikToks. To use it, you just fix your phone to the holder and turn it on. Then you can change from horizontal to vertical filming and angle the phone using the joystick. It's ideal for moving shots like when I got my shoes muddy, and it keeps your videos smooth even when you speed them up, making them look really professional.
Okay, you gotta check these out. These are rechargeable LED light bulbs that have a battery backup that are an absolute must-have for power outages. You would use them wherever you would put a normal light bulb, and whenever your light switch is turned on, they're charging. Then if you have a power outage, the bulb switches to battery mode and the light bulb will stay on. But what's really cool is that they come with an adapter that has an on and off switch, so you can actually use them like a flashlight and take them wherever you go. And this kind of blew my mind. You can actually use a wet paper towel or rag to light it up, or you can even use your fingertip to light the bulb.
Mopping and hoovering, then this robot could be your new best friend. Just choose an area to clean on its app, and the vacuum is powerful enough to take up all the surface debris before returning to its base station to empty its tank. Then just fill up the back with water and snap in a wet pad, and the robot will mop up your spillage but will automatically avoid carpet if it comes into contact.
This is one of the best webcams for streaming. This is a eMeet 1080p crystal clear webcam. In the box, of course, you're going to get your webcam, which is powered by a USB. I'm currently using the camera, and as you can see right here, it's pretty good. The autofocus is actually pretty cool. It can go from focusing on this, remove it, focuses on my PC. If you guys want to pick up this webcam, link in bio as always.
Amazon must-haves. Everyone needs this magnet-safe wall mount. It is perfect. You can put it on your wall, your mirror, anywhere you like, and your phone just automatically sticks to it. I love it because I can move it around and use it for anything hands-free.
If you're tired of your old Apple Watch band and you're ready to level up, then today's Amazon find is for you. I found this perfect new Apple Watch band that absolutely levels up my watch and makes it perfect for more activities like going out or having a nicer dinner or more fun activities where I'm just not working out, but I still want to wear my Apple Watch. You can actually remove the links to make it more adjustable for your personal size, but I love how this looks in the end, and it honestly is the perfect going out watch now. I ended up snagging this in the color pearl white because I love how it goes with everything else and it looks so sleek. As always, you can find this item linked in my bio under my Amazon shop.
Gadget you need. This is a phone mount that attaches to your laptop. All you do is stick the gadget on your computer and the magnet on your phone. I love this because it allows me to see my phone while I'm working on my laptop.
This is a smart water bottle that tracks your water intake on an app. Every time you drink, the bottle weighs itself to detect how much water has gone, and the app will refresh to update your progress. One charge lasts 10 days, and it lights up at various points in the day to remind you to stay hydrated. This is a wireless portable projector that can play up to 2 hours of video in one charge. You can access all of the usual apps using the onboard Android software, or you can pair your own device to play pretty much anything you like. It easily fits in a backpack, and it has 360-degree built-in speakers for high-quality audio. It's perfect for a cute date night or for watching Netflix in the bath or in bed.